Yo guys, it's Dami, and in this video we have this AirPod Pro 3s that I got from DHGate, and guess what? These actually come with AppleCare Plus. I know it's crazy, but let's get into the unboxing and review of these AirPod Pro. So as you guys know already, when you get these AirPod Pro 3s, you would get in this red box just to go through customs. But once you take it out, you upgrade with a one-to-one Apple Pro 3 box. At the back, you have some warnings and instructions. You also have like the serial number at the bottom and the Apple logo, and you have this green pull tab. So once you just take it out, you upgrade it with the December Apple in California paperwork. And from there you do have the exchangeable ear tips or the extra ear tips of these AirPods. So you have from like extra small to, I believe, large or medium. And yeah, these are actually interchangeable with the real ones as well. And on the casing, you have the USB-C charging port with the speakers as well. Over to the side, the lanyard, and at the back you have the assembled Apple in California and assembled in Vietnam. The pairing process, yes, when you open the lid it does make a chime, but once you open up the lid it's going to show up on your phone, and you're going to double tap on the case and it will connect to your iPhone or whatever device you are pairing it with. The pairing process is exactly as a real AirPod Pro 3s would be, and once you're done pairing it, you upgrade it with the pods percentage or the charger percentage and the case charging percentage as well. Over to the settings, you have everything like all the features, but sadly all these don't work. But the only thing that does work is noise cancellation, ANC, and a little bit of spatial audio. And as you can see, the serial number does check out as well. So when I did try playing some music and stuff, I did try ANC and transparency. ANC works flawlessly, like I couldn't hear anything, and for those that are asking, that's active noise cancellation. Transparency, I could hear everything around me. Spatial audio, it kind of works, but it doesn't really work all the way. And the stem controls on these works like pause, play, next song, the volume going up and down. That as well works with the stem controls. And the design on these is actually one-to-one to the original, so you can actually like swap them out with the real case and it will work. I know that this is a quick video for you guys, but yeah, all links to this will be in the link tree. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Any questions, reach out to me in the comments or on my Instagram, and I'll be sure to help you. Peace.